How to deactivate X Twitter account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then make sure that you have the latest version of the X application on your device. Then open up the X application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, what you can do is just tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on your account, and as you tap on your account, you can see the option of deactivate account option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and here you can see that as you tap on deactivating your account, then you'll be no longer viewable on x.com or X for iOS or X for Android. So you just have to tap on deactivate over here at the bottom of the screen, and then your account will be deactivated on X account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.